Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram DM button missing. First, take your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you see the section for apps. Tap on it. Now look through the list of installed apps and find Instagram. When you see Instagram, tap on it to open its app info page. On this page, look for the option called Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap on it. Inside, you will see the option to clear the cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Do not worry. This will not delete your Instagram data. It only removes temporary files that can cause small issues. After clearing the cache, go back to the app info page. Now look for permissions. Tap on it to open the list of permissions that Instagram needs. Make sure all important permissions are turned on, such as camera, contacts, notifications, photos, and storage. If any of these permissions are off, some features inside Instagram may not appear, including the DM button. Turn on any permission that is off. When you are done, exit the Settings app. If the problem is still there, open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Instagram. When Instagram appears, tap on it to open its page. Look carefully to see if there is an update button. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix bugs and missing features. Once the update installs, open Instagram again and check the DM button. These simple fixes usually solves the issue for most users. Thank you for watching.